Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic kombucha. First, let's talk about the SCOBY, the heart of your brew. It's a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, crucial for fermentation. Next, you'll prepare your sweet tea base using organic tea and sugar. Finally, ensure your brewing environment stays between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal activity. This foundation sets you up for success. During the first fermentation, proper air circulation is key. Cover your brewing vessel with a breathable cloth, allowing air in while keeping contaminants out. Regularly monitor your kombucha. You're looking for a pleasant, slightly vinegary aroma and a balanced taste. The first fermentation is complete when it achieves your preferred level of tartness, typically after 7 to 14 days. Trust your taste buds. Now for the fun part, flavoring. Experiment with organic fruits, herbs, or spices to craft unique taste profiles. Once flavored, bottle your kombucha in airtight containers for the second fermentation. This is where the magic of carbonation happens naturally. Allow it to ferment for another 1 to 3 days at room temperature, then refrigerate to slow the process and enjoy your bubbly brew. Proper storage is crucial for your finished kombucha. Keep it refrigerated to pause fermentation and maintain its delicious flavor. If you encounter issues like mold or weak fermentation, don't worry. Simple adjustments can often resolve them. Remember, brewing is a learning process. And speaking of learning, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade organic kombucha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.